Hey everybody, Michelle here, and I'm going to show you how to operate and install your canopy on your new Zoom Qool Stroller. So this is our canopy. I have it all pulled up together. I like to start with the zipper because it gives you a little more room to wiggle. You're going to take your zipper, put it onto the one attached to the seat back, and then bring it all the way over. Then you're going to want to take the bracket and see how there's a little lip on the front of the bracket here. You want to put that over the frame of the seat first, then push. It will attach. I'll show you this one. It's tight, but you can get it. There we go. All right. That is how you put your canopy back on. Then I want to show you a couple little things about the canopy. You have this flap of fabric in the back that you can lift to have your mesh out so you can see baby and give them more ventilation. We also have an extension zipper that you can unzip and make your canopy larger. The canopy is 50 plus FPF and chemical free. So that is how you put your canopy back on.